Go. Press the button. Do you see the red light coming on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, press that other button. Uh-oh. Oh, no. You see what happened?
Smoke.
Yeah. Fail.
Ah.
Fail. Okay, try number 2. We ready for launch?
Yeah.
Press it hard for the red light and then press the button.
Do I hold it?
Press the button hard. Okay, try number 3. Put the key in and launch. The red light coming on?
Yeah.
Oh man.
What is happening?
Okay, attempt number 4. Put the key in and come on. Okay, attempt number 5. I have a pretty good feeling about this time. Put the key in and launch. Are you kidding me? Okay, attempt number 6. Put the key in and try it. Nothing? Okay, this is like try number 7, and it's probably our final try because I think we're gonna be out of blasters by now. Okay, great. Whoa! Oh, there's the parachute. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's not opening.
Oh no.
It's okay. That was
That was
awesome.
Did you see that?
That was really cool. The parachute didn't open all the way,
Oh no.
but it's okay. It's slow enough. It's coming down slow enough. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck on those trees.
No.
Oh no, no, no! No!
Oh, I did it.
Oh, nice. Oh, you're so lucky. That was like 7 failed attempts at launching a rocket. Okay, go ahead. Be careful. Look both ways. So we got to figure out why our parachute didn't deploy properly. What happened?
One of the things fell off.
Okay, yeah, bring it. Oh, one of the fins came off?
One of the things.
Oh, wow. We'll have to fix that. Nice. At least we got a success today.